Why don't you go ahead and pull out your stuff wherever you're at.
DesignPlus is a learning community of people who like to plan ideas, design them, and actually see them come to life.
There is design everywhere at MIT, and it's really, really cool to be exposed to a bunch of people doing design in different disciplines.
As soon as I got into DesignPlus, they put me in the fine metal shop, and it was always the highlight of my week to be able to go in this forge and learn something new.
We have been working on making silver rings, and first they learned to make them in copper. In a quick project like ours, I think it's mostly about understanding order of operations and really working from a paper model to a finished metal object.
The instructor taught us everything we needed to know for how to make a ring. She was there the whole time helping us, listening to our ideas, giving us feedback.
Using a saw, we would cut out those dimensions from the copper plate. Then we would anneal the copper, which basically means taking a torch to it to sort of soften it. Metal behaves unexpectedly, so we would put the torch on the metal and it would change colors and it would change shape, and it'd be a little bit scary but also really exciting. By the end, we were all able to make rings out of actual silver, which we're all really proud of.
You watch the students come alive with these pieces of metal in their hands. It's fun to see them have that hands-on experience we know they crave, but that the curriculum can't always provide.
Everyone really got into all of the projects we did because something about cutting the metal and torching it with your own hands, I think it speaks to the maker in everyone.
I'm a metalsmith, and I used to work primarily at the scale of jewelry and then began to make larger scale objects. As an artist, design is in my everyday way of thinking, and having folks come here is really exciting because they're off the computer and having these very hands-on experiences where there's nothing between them and the material.
I think the point of the class was much larger than just making the tangible objects that we made. It was about exposing students to design opportunities across campus, especially in the forge.
We were making jewelry, but we did see other people actually forging things, making metals using anvils. So having the opportunity to go there every week, it was really special.
In this space, it's all metals processing of various kinds: casting, welding, forging, jewelry, sculpture. You don't need any experience to get involved because we'll do the training that people need. So we offer a number of introductory classes that are a way for people to get their feet wet.
This experience just made me really excited to try all the other wonderful opportunities at MIT, like glass blowing and ceramics.
Going through all this, you're able to see what opportunities there exist to make, for instance, with the forge or over at other maker spaces with laser cutters, 3D printers, welders, you name it, they have it.
Joining DesignPlus was the single best decision I made coming into MIT. It has given me access to resources and people and spaces that I just wouldn't have had access to otherwise. And the people who run it just really want you to experience every little thing from MIT that you can.